Hey, mom and dad. What's a dog for a tree? Cat was a tiger. Could I please go for my friends? No, you cannot. Why not? Because you are still grounded, and you cannot go anywhere fun while grounded. But mom and dad, I really want to go for my friends. No, dog for a tree. Cat was a tiger. We said no. Please, 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 please. I really want to go with my friends. No, 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 no. You are not going to go with your friends, and that's final. Now go back to room. Fine. I don't care what my parents say. I'll go for my friends no matter what. And I'll do it by sneaking out the window. When he got to golf, okay guys, now we are golf. Let's have some fun. Okay, dog, virtue cat monster tiger. I agree with Dog Old Talk. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5. Me 6. Let's have some fun. Yes, I score a goal. Yeah. I score a goal. Yes, I did it. Yeah. I did it. Yes, I won. Hooray, I did it. Yes, I am best golfer game. Yes, I finally won the game. 8 hours of golf later. That was so much. Dog, fetch your cat, monster tiger, dog. Fetch your cat, monster tiger, dog. Fetch your cat, monster tiger, dog. Fetch your cat, monster tiger. Get over here right now. Dog, fetch your cat, monster tiger. We told you not to go with your friends while grounded, but you did not listen to us. You have disobeyed us. That's it. You are grounded until half term. Now go upstairs, you are now, or else we'll send to European country. Dark Lord Tirek, how dare you go with your friends without our permission? That's it. You are grounded for 495 months. Go upstairs, Chuba, right now, or else we'll send to European country. Dog, chill, bully. How dare you go with your friends while grounded? That's it. You are grounded for 1 billion centuries. Go upstairs, Chuba, right now, or else we'll send to European country. Dog eyes, bro. How do you go with your friends without permission? That's it. You are grounded for 492 weeks. Go upstairs, Chuba, right now. Dog, evil cat, monster, tiger. How dare you go with your friends while grounded? That's it. You are grounded for 495 weeks. Go upstairs, Chuba, right now. Or else we send the European country. Evil dry monster tiger Jr. How dare you go with your friends while grounded? That's it. You are grounded for 92 weeks. Go to bed right now, or else we'll send to European country. Virtue Tiger Man. How dare you go with your friends while grounded? That's it. You are grounded for 192 weeks. Go to bed right now. dark, dry Sabertooth. How dare you go with you first without our permission? That's it. You are grounded for 1,090 zillion centuries. Go upstairs to right now, or else we say to you, pig country. I did not come out you into dinner time.